Welcome to LearnWire. In this video, we're going to be checking out a product called PostPlanner, and it's actually on Dillify. It's not on AppSumo. I usually review products only on AppSumo, but in this case, this product looks really cool to look at, and it also is similar to a couple other products that I have reviewed. So I wanted to get this information out there. And I wanted to kind of dive in and see what the advantages of this software are. What this is it's a curation, a content curation application for social media. So there are some, if I go back to my channel over here, now these videos over here, it's called AI Content Review and Predis AI. AI Content Review will actually specializes in taking your content from a blog and splicing it up into different sentences, and then using AI, coming up with images automatically. And you could literally spend like 30 minutes or an hour and have an entire year's worth of posts scheduled inside this software. So this one is it is a social media tool, but it's using your blog posts to kind of repurpose and drive traffic. The main purpose is driving traffic back to your own blog to get traffic from social media to your blog. Now, Predis AI was a software that is even more closely related to PostPlanner because it basically curates content. It uses artificial intelligence. And actually, I don't know if it's actually curating. So that's what the separator is. Predis AI does come up with its own ideas for what you should post on social media, and then comes up with a unique image. And then also it even changes the text, the background colors and everything, and brands it to yourself. So it's really cool as well. But PostPlanner offers something a little different. It actually uses real articles and information and news that's out there on the market already that's getting a lot of engagement that you can curate and repurpose and share with your audiences. So you're able to look and see if the content is already viral and getting good reviews, and then you're able to share that. So, and it will automatically have images for you. So it's really focused on curating content. So quick content. And so we're going to look at this. Now, the lifetime deal is going for $79. And we're going to just kind of scroll through here. You can go and read the rest. It's got good reviews as well. And what you're going to get is 3 profiles, 300 posts, scheduled posts. So that's not 300 per day. It's going to average out to about 10 to 12 posts per day. I'm counting about 10 posts per day times 30 days is 300. So one user, content curation, and there's 20,000 inspiring quotes. So just if you want some content to publish and your niche, it makes sense. Most niches, publishing inspiring quotes makes sense. And then there's post analytics and that sort of thing. So here's what the front of their site looks like. And right now they support Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter. So it's really cool that they have Pinterest in there. You don't see that a whole lot. You see the big 4, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter, but it's nice that they have Pinterest in there, and hopefully they are, looking at developing even more to be able to publish to other platforms as well. So we can go through, and I'm already logged in. I've connected 3 accounts right now. And I will say that they do have a free trial, but the free trial, you do have to put in a credit card for it. So you can go in and look for a plan. If you go to pricing, you're just going to go to, they have annual plans right here. So if you have, you could spend $60 and get an annual plan. So it kind of gives you an idea of what, where you're going to break even if you get the lifetime deal. Basically a little over the year mark, like it's going to take a year to get your money back on this tool. And then after that, you will never pay again. And then you basically just get the tool for free is the way I look at it. I always look at where your break even is when you buy the one-time deal. When you buy the one-time deal, you are getting the starter plan. It's the starter plan, 300 scheduled posts, 10 per day. And you could, so what I would do is just the first of the month, spend an hour, schedule out all your content for the month, and then you're done, right? And once a month, boom, schedule for an entire month. If you want it to be more powerful and you want to double that per day, or you want to extend it for 3 months, I'm just estimating, but this would, at 10 posts a day, 1,000 scheduled posts, this would give you about 3 months in advance of content curation. So you just kind of have to do the math, right? Where if 10 per day is too low for you, or 300 scheduled posts is too low for you, or 3 profiles is too low for you, then the lifetime deal, it will not be your best friend. You will need to pay for for another plan, the solo or business plan. And then also looking at it, let me see right over here. Well, actually, let's come back over here. Yeah, right now, so they're only offering the one plan, starter plan right now as a lifetime deal. So that's just something to keep in mind, right? So we're going to go and dive in. It was very easy to hook up everything. You select your time zone, and then you can have weekday plans, weekend plans. You can add a new plan if you want. And what it does is you can select if you want images, image type posts, video type posts, link and article type posts, and text only posts. And I'm saying I want all 4. So what we can do, you have your history over here and so forth. So, and then you can look at what's in your queue. We obviously have nothing in our queue, so we are going to go into create a post. And actually, it looks like they have a bulk upload feature as well if you have a bunch of images that you want to publish yourself. So if you click on the content button, then you have a bunch of stuff that's automatically going to populate for things that to publish. They have a content studio, which this looks like it's new. You can create your own images, crop and resize images, add text filters, stickers, and more. So there's more customizations. It looks like when the tool has been around for a couple of years, but it looks like when it got started, there wasn't a whole lot of the customizations, but it's nice to see that the tool has been around. I looked for reviews on YouTube, and there's reviews from back in 2019. So the tool is definitely at least 2 or 3 years old, and they're still around, still making the tool, upgrading the tool and everything. So that's good to see. We're going to come through here, and I like the hover over. I like the graphics. Nice clean interface. Looks really nice. I like when you hover over it, kind of zooms in and you can see it. So you can come through here and look at quotes. You can actually select by. So if you're in the self-improvement, in which I connected one of my Facebook pages, which is in self-improvement, I could go to self-improvement and click on that. And then we can go right here, that which does not kill us makes us stronger. That's a really common one, so I'm going to move from that one. You cannot change your destination overnight. You can change your direction. So let's create that post. Okay, so because it should be, I'm not seeing where it is curating that. So I'm going to go ahead and click back real quick. I'm not real sure, but maybe you have to actually highlight that and copy and then create post, write something here. I don't know. We're just going to do this for fun. And Content Studio, upload video, upload photo, Canva, your post is not sensible for all networks, fix problems above. That, it just doesn't. Okay, so I'm not really sure like why the text, we weren't able to like copy it over, if you will, right? It should have copied it over, but here's, the tool has come a long way because I watched a review from 3 years ago. The tool definitely does not look the same today. It's sharper looking, but what the point is that you can see up here that there's 5 stars. So this has been liked 3,500 times, 23 comments, 627 shares. It's under inspiring quotes 3 days ago. So it's really getting a lot of shares and engagement in just a matter of 3 days. So this is fresh content on social media right now within the last week that is performing really well. Now you can sort it by stars. It's obviously going to have all the 5 stars, but you can sort it by likes if you want, or most recent. Right now it's sorted by stars, so it's just showing all the 5-star content. Now we're starting to get in here to 4-star content, right? 4-star content, which is still pretty good. But let's go up here and let's just make a post. So right here, you would just, you could favorite and heart it. We're going to create the post. And then now it brought over the image, which is good. And it actually gives a credit to the image, which is good. We just want to engage our audience, right? So add our title, something, and you could use other AI tools to come up with your title if you wanted to. I'm just going to say something like, this is cool. Write something about this pin. We don't think we need to do that. So success quotes. So right here is perfect. I can put it in any one of these if I want, but motivation or success. So I'm going to go with motivation quotes. and create post. And you'll get a warning right here if you're missing an image or if you're missing something. Obviously, it's not requiring us to put text inside there. So we're basically just sharing an image. Add to queue. You can actually schedule post share now. If you wanted to post this right now, you could, or share next to put it automatically in line, but we can go to add to queue. So now it's on add to queue. Okay, so let's keep cruising. We're going to use that same account for now. Let's go articles. So here's where you can share articles that are happening right now, 6 days ago. Let's go over here. What is that? So the starter plan does not include access to RSS content. So that one is coming from an RSS feeder, apparently. So let's go look through here real quick. A year from now, everything you're stressing about won't even matter. That's cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and share that. I got 13 Facebook shares, social shares 13 in 6 days. So it's not super shareable, but we're still going to go for it. So I'm going to go ahead and create post. And this one did come across because it had a title. So the other one must not have even had a title. It was literally an image. But this one has everything already. This is a perfect example of full curation right here, because you have the title that came over, you have the contents of the article, and you are leaving a link back to the credit. And so you can just add this to queue. Let's go back into GIFs real quick. It's not letting us do GIFs. Okay. Let's go videos. Access to viral videos is available only on the business plan. Okay, so it is images and articles. It's good to know. I like going into these things so we can really, truly see what we can do with these softwares, right? So I'm going to go and do one more right now. So we're going to create this post. It's just an image, and that's why it didn't come over, is because it's just an image. We're good here. I'm going to go and see if I can publish this on Be Hopeful, motivation quotes. Let's see right here, motivation quotes about life. And then we can go schedule post. And actually this is my Pinterest, it's a Pinterest account. So we can share that now. Okay, so then now what I want to do is I'm going to go back to home. I'm going to go to digital marketing over here. And let's see where we're at right here. So we have this. We're under marketing now. Google Ads, different things right here. 2022 trends in digital marketing. Okay, so that's cool. We can create that one. And I'm going to switch. So we're going to switch from posting to inspired motivation. We'll actually click over here, and we want to post this to uncheck. And we only want this to teach me money methods, since that has to do with making money online. And I'm just going to share this image. So we're going to add this to queue. So it's really easy to switch between your different profiles. And we're going to come through here. Let's see right here. I'm going to type in make money online and see what shows up. So Pexels and Pixabay. That's funny that it's not letting us connect to that, even though that stuff is free. Kind of don't like that. Let's see over here, content streams. So make money. There's 28 feeds right here. Small business, home business, online marketing. Come through here, online marketing. It's going to pull up. Okay, so here's some good stuff. Here's some good stuff. We can go with images. We can go with articles. And the articles are cool because they will come with a featured image and information. And look at these right here. Building authentic conversations on social media. That's cool. So let's create the post. So this is super easy to just add to queue. We can write more if we want, or we can just say add to queue. So we're sharing content for people to go and check out. The ultimate guide to building a successful business blog. That one did. So social shares, it's trying to say that in comparison with everything, it's a 1 star. Not really sure where they're getting the 1 star to 5 star, because I mean, to me, 175 social shares is pretty good, but I guess that they're comparing it to up here, 3,000. 400 will get you the 2 stars. So this is still shareable content, definitely. 6 free tools for creating amazing eye-catching graphics. That's cool. Let's go through there, and then you can just click the add to queue button. Okay. And so what we'll do, let's just do one more. Let's go back to, let's see, all results. Oh wait, we can actually come up here and just click the X button, and then I can come up and click the home. Let's see here. I want to switch the profile that I'm going to. Let's go. I'm going to type up here. I'm going to go software. Let's go check out software now. And under software, we can go to 51 software tech. That's cool. 14 feeds. So these are all different feeds. Internet and software. I'm going to go with software tech. And then once you go through in here, I'm going into images, and here we go. So here's where we would come in here and actually, you have to wait till you go all the way into where you're publishing a post to go and actually change it. Now I'm going to change this one to LearnWire and take off the other one. So you could schedule it to all three if you wanted to, but they're all three in different niches, so it wouldn't make sense. So we're going to go like that. We're sharing an image and add to queue. Now we're going to go and check out our queue. So let's get out of here by clicking the X button and then going to the publishing or the publishing schedule. So post search is live. This has been our most requested feature for a long time. You can now search and filter your future posts by keyword, content type. We'll be adding time period in the coming weeks. So they're continuing to upgrade the tool, which is cool. So what we have here is on Tuesday, it's going to schedule this one right here at 7 tonight. And then the same type, because we have only 3 different types. So that's why it's splitting it up. So you'll have to, if you wanted to have 3 image types in the same day for the same profile, then you have to make sure that you have that selected. So I'm not sure where all the other ones went to. So we have these 2 that are scheduled. Now we had the other ones on there. I'm just not sure where. Oh, it's because right down here, we're only selected all 3. So you could select all 3 now. You just have to kind of get to know the tool, but I wanted to show you guys everything. So here's where we're looking at, right? So we have all these are scheduled next. And we can just go to the calendar view, and now you can see all the content that is scheduled. So overall, really cool tool. I really like the interface. I like the ability of what you're able to do. You just need to know that in this plan, the $79 plan, you're going to be pretty limited is what it's looking like. You're going to be pretty limited. If you only plan on having 3 profiles and only using image posts and article posts, then this will work for you. But if you want the video posts, the text posts, or the GIF posts, or you want to schedule more than 300 posts at a time, or like I said, more than 3 profiles, then this lifetime deal wouldn't suit you, and you would be better off going and actually getting one of their plans for $20 a month. It's actually $29 a month for that plan, or you can pay $19 a month if you buy it 1 year in advance. So that's my review on PostPlanner. Again, there'll be a link below. You can go check it out, and you can pick up the lifetime deal for PostPlanner on Dealify. That's it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.